Các hiện tượng âm thanh trong câu: ngữ điệu: Can you call me at 5? Really? It's nice to meet you. Really? What are you thinking about? How are you doing? I like football, basketball, tennis, and golf. I left work, came home, and had dinner. Do you want the blue one or the black one? Is his name Matthew or Michael? Giảm, nhấn âm. I need to talk to you. Black and white. Let's go for a walk. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. I'm leaving on Monday or Thursday. Nói, biến âm. Can I come in? Yes, come on in. The door is open. She's single and she's so happy. I'm married and I'm miserable. Pop music. Good book. Hit it out. Do it. Did you? Don't you? Phát âm tận cùng là S. Laughs. Books. Seats. Blaze. Eyes. Pens. Watches. Roses. Purses. Phát âm tận cùng là ED. Stuffed. Cooked. Washed. Loved. Played. Brought. Wanted. Needed. Crowded.